Hey everyone, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm back with some lockdown recipes. So my first recipe is going to be on how to make cold coffee. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Things you will need: 1 cup cold milk, 4 teaspoons sugar, 4 teaspoons instant coffee, 8 teaspoons hot water, 1 scoop vanilla ice cream. Start by putting the instant coffee in the cup. Well, this seems to be taking a little longer, so let's speed up the process a little. Now you add in the hot water. And stir it well. Now add the coffee you mixed earlier in the blender. Then add in the 1 cup of cold milk. Okay, so where is my spoon? Still finding my spoon. Found it. Now add 4 teaspoons of sugar. Put on the lid. There we go. Now blend. Add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream in your glass. Now pour the mixture. And there you go, your cold coffee is ready. I hope you liked my video. If you have any kind of questions, please do comment below. Please do share with your friends and press the like button below on the left and press the subscribe button below on the right. That's it for now. Stay home, stay safe.